going on, guys? Welcome back to my YouTube channel. We're out here. It's kind of cold out here, so today we're gonna get to work on my Subaru and a Honda Civic. This is my son's. Gotta find out where the Civic is leaking, but let's get to it. So yeah, we gotta find out where is it leaking from. See right here. And I'm still working on that one. But before that, let's open up an energy drink, get some energies, get to work. And it was hella beautiful morning today, but somehow it got really cold out here. It's supposed to be at 60s, so don't feel like 60s, but let's get to work. I like to use a purple degreaser. Cleaned it out. Probably cleaned the engine today too on this car. It's a pretty good little Honda Civic VTEC. Some GNC wheels. Pretty low. He wants to get lower. I told him he's crazy. But anyways, I gotta get that one ready, get it out, drive it, enjoy it. Alright guys, for this you're gonna need a size 12 fly driver. Take this bolt right here, the one over here, just clamps, the one right here, or you can take this tool out, just leave the blow valve out, and down here, and disconnect these hoses. That's about it. Well, I'm gonna put you guys on timeline, so we'll do this. There you go, guys. That's out. Gotta clean this engine bay too, but I gotta get to that right there. Take those two bolts out and then go inside, take the pedals. And it looks like this was already ripped too, so I gotta replace this one. It's leaking oil. That's the progress. Well, it looks like we're gonna have to order a couple of things, a couple of hoses. There are a lot of them that are already fragile. Need to replace. That's my turbo right there. Blow valve. Then I gotta get to that. That's the master cylinder for the clutch. And this one, they look all brittle now, so it's time for new ones. Oh yeah, oh yeah, baby. No wonder I was getting a lot of boost. All right, so but yeah, stay tuned. I gotta order the parts and then go from there. All right, guys, let's clean up some little of this engine. Get all this grease out of here because it was leaking from here. All right, let's do this. This is the simple green purple, I believe it calls. You spray on it and just let it sit there, and then just scrub it with the little brush. I don't have a little brush, so boom, I'm using a big one. But I'm gonna go ahead and put you in time lapse and get this cleaned up, and then we'll go from there. Alright, it looks way better. I don't know if you guys can see. Let me get you guys closer. Not dirty. Still gotta wipe a couple little things on water, but it looks way better. Nice and bright.